And some breaking news, U.S. regulators have approved the sale of chicken made from animal cells. And this move paves the way for two California companies to sell lab-grown meat. The U.S. Agriculture Department gave the okay today. The cultivated meat will be grown in steel tanks using cells from a living animal, fertilized egg, or a special band of stored cells. That meat will only be sold at upscale restaurants. The companies behind the push hope to eliminate harm to animals and drastically reduce the environmental impacts of raising them.
Also today, the USDA has issued approvals for two California firms to sell their products known as cultivated meat. Check this out. The chicken is grown in steel tanks from animal cells rather than from slaughtered birds. The companies say their goal is to eliminate harm to animals and drastically reduce the environmental impacts of raising them. The meat will initially be sold only at upscale restaurants.
First time U.S. regulators approved the sale of chicken made from animal cells. It allows two California companies to offer lab-grown meat to restaurants. The cultivated meat is grown in steel tanks using cells that come from a living animal, a fertilized egg, or a special bank of stored cells.
It feels strange, a little peculiar initially, but after a period of time, it becomes ubiquitous and boring. And that's eventually the path for cultivated meat.
Okay, but don't look for it at grocery stores anytime soon. Cultivated chicken is apparently much more expensive and cannot yet be produced on the scale of traditional meats.
I'm trying it.
Yeah? Okay.
For all the other things we eat.
Yeah, that's true.